Good morning. Wait a minute, it's not even morning, is it? It's like 1 p.m. Anyway, so we got some stuff to do. We're going to meet a friend of E-Man's. I gotta put this on top of you guys, and then yeah, we're going to get the day started. Should be a pretty fun day. I'm pretty excited.
Might have had your fill, I can feel it still.
That may or may not be Emmanuel's friend.
It is. Oh, that thing is clean.
Alright. No, you can't do it. I don't know if you're
intimidated.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm intimidated. 1200 horsepower GTR, man.
That has 1200 horsepower?
Yeah. Boost Logic, built motor, built and tuned by them. Twin GTX 30s? GTX 30s on E85.
Because I see he's parked in a handicap spot.
He's actually handicapped.
No way.
From the waist down. He drives the car with hand pedals.
I'm sorry, man, but if there's anything more badass in this world, let me know, because that's pretty badass.
He used to have a 700 plus wheel Supra, auto Supra with the 4LADE. He's a true enthusiast.
Well, let's go check it out. Holy fuck. What? Oh, he's on bags too, huh?
He's like, my car's dirty. I'm like, so?
I think it looks fine. And very beautiful. Yeah, man. George Dixon.
Emmanuel.
George Dixon.
Steve.
Hey.
We could find a waffle.
It was nice to meet you.
Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. It's time to give a little to the kids.
Alright, we're pulled over on the side of the road. We're actually gonna set up some GoPros real quick. Nice windy road. See what we can do. Hopefully it'll look pretty nice. It's a beautiful day out today. It's really awesome. You got mounts, right?
I got mounts on the trunk.
There's one here, there's one up front, correct?
Yeah.
These are a must, boys. Radar detectors are always a must. They have saved our asses. Last night they saved our asses like 3 times, this radar detector. Nuts, man. I love it. I love it so much.
Might have had your fill, I can feel it still.
So we were on a windy road and we're like, oh, look, a falls. So we are currently going there now. Actually, we are here. And it's actually pretty cool. Check this out. Wow! Look at that! You know, if you would have talked to me about 4 years ago, I would have been like, hell yeah, man, this would be a dope place to smoke some weed. Good place to stop by when you're hauling ass down roads. This guy corners harder than shit. I'm telling you, a couple times I was holding this camera and I was like, oh fuck, and you can just hear the wheels screeching loud. This is so funny, dude. Emmanuel, you're fucking nuts, bro.
Hey, nah.
He's just a good driver, I guess. His car has 50,000 miles on it.
41.
41? Oh yeah.
14 months.
In 14 months. That's pretty fucking crazy, man. Woo. There we go.
It's such a good vibration. You're such a temptation. You just walk right in it. Take me away. You just
Hey guys, so this guy over here doesn't think his car is worth it to be on video. Bullshit. I think it's worth it, bro.
Gotta pump the bumper in.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is that? You guys here? You guys good?
I plugged mine.
Good question, man. Is that a factory color? Is no way.
It was
What?
BMW individual, yeah, it's mint green.
How many of these are made?
This is the, officially we know of this one existing. Supposedly someone in China spec'd one, but we don't know they built it. So it might be one of one.
So you're saying you might be one of one?
Might be one of one, might be one of two, but no more than that.
No way.
No way, man.
Yeah, we out here, boys. It's pretty cool meet.
Normally go past the 100.
So far, though, it's pretty crazy. About fucking like 2,000 people. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, air out. The car is taking a fat fart right now.
Mick, I was like 5'15". He's like, respect. And he was like, so who did the work? And I was like, VRE.
Oh, we're actually recording.
Oh, we're actually recording.
So we're out here at Red Door Meet. This is Christian. What's
Gang,
up,
gang.
dude? Hey.
Hey!
Yeah, what's up, dude?
We are ripping.
It's Christian.
it's
I like
that
your
one.
car, man. Pretty
Oh,
clean.
thanks. It's Riley Carson tuned. It's stage 1 stock block.
I like that. I like that.
Fuck yeah.
This is my fully built H6, as you guys can tell. 6 cylinders.
Cam setup on mine over here. We're running 162s.
Not bad, not bad. I heard those pretty aggressive.
Oh yeah,
Man.
It lopes at high RPMs, but never at idle.
No way. I heard that's the best thing you can do for like max power, right?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I heard if you put sand in your air filter, it helps out a lot with
For like porting and polishing.
Yeah,
I heard of that. Dude, I've been wanting to do that.
Yeah. It
Man.
helps out.
Cool. Beautiful cars, man. Beautiful cars.
Taco gang!
Oh shit! Woo, woo. Yeah. So we're out here, boys, at Red Door. Man, are you really eating all my tacos?
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, beautiful.
Oh yeah! What I'm talking about.
Family right here, bro.
Family.
It's such a good vibration. You're such a temptation. You just walk right
Where you guys going?
Downtown.
Pick up on bitches?
Yeah, right.
Where you gonna put them? Holy shit.
Alright dudes, hope you enjoyed that footage right there. That was pretty cool. We just arrived at our destination. We're gonna actually go gambling right now. Play some blackjack again, like we did last night. And we actually won last night is the thing. It was like, what? We won $200 out of 100. So it was pretty good.
It wasn't bad.
Yeah, well Emmanuel did. Me, no. I made some questionable decisions before we went to the casino and spent my money on something else. That's all I'll get into detail about. But, yeah. All right, guys. Peace out. Boom.
Slow down.